Good morning, YouTube. This is Shawanya the artist, and today I'm going to be doing a vlog. Right now, I am just getting up and I'm about to make me a big girl's breakfast. That's what I call it, big girl breakfast, because, honey, today we gonna eat like queens. You know what I mean? So, what the big girl breakfast consists of is, she doesn't know yet. No. We're gonna be doing these things, some eggs and some bacon. So, if you guys want to see me make this big girl meal, then please stay tuned. Yeah, it'll be real quick, real quick. Don't leave. Stay right here. It'll be real quick. Don't rush off. I'm finna show y'all how I do this. Disclaimer is I cannot cook. And everyone who knows me knows that I cannot cook. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get this done and this handled so I can have a cooked meal. Okay, so if you wanna see, stay tuned, honey, stay tuned. Okay. Let's go. Okay, guys, so this is all that entails with my big girl breakfast. I have bananas, I have pineapple juice, which I poured into this container here. I have spinach, baby spinach, and I have bacon, as well as some eggs, and some hash browns, as well as bagels, and some strawberry jam to go on my cereals and bagels. But I probably just do bread with the strawberry jam, and of course we have our room temperature butter. So I'm about to throw down, guys. Oh, and by the way, I want to show you guys my pretty flowers that I purchased. Oh my gosh, they're just so adorable, aren't they? To the patties, and I'm just gonna cut these open and place them in my air fryer. And yeah, okay guys, so now I'm taking the baby spinach and I'm using that same bacon grease to for my spinach. Taking the bagels and frying them. Also in that same bacon grease. and butter if I need some. But yeah, let's get into this big girl plate. I tell you, honey, I'm finna tear it down. Y'all have a blessed day and enjoy y'all Veterans Day off.